Good morning to all. Today we are going to start unit number 5 in SS second semester standard 6 Gujarat. Which things are there in Gujarat that we talk about? First thing it is agriculture, industry and transportation. So these are the three basic things of Gujarat in which the people earn well, people make the new things to develop for the state. Agriculture is related with the farm, crops, industry मतलब उद्योग, transportation means process to transferring of other things from the one place to other place. So this chapter is quite lengthy, so I am going to finish this chapter in one class with offline video. Then this chapter will be taken 2 periods, today and tomorrow. So here we are going to talk about Parth, Dharmakshi and Sijan and Ved also. During the Diwali vacation, Parth, Dharmakshi, Sijan and Ved went to Parth's maternal uncle's house. Maternal मतलब मामा के घर. Whose maternal uncle house? Parth. One day they passed by a farm. So the place where they have visited, there was a farm. They saw that Parth's maternal uncle was working in the farm. So there पार्थ के जो मामा थे वो फार्म के अंदर काम कर रहे थे. Now a little conversation between them. Let's see what was that. Parth says, "Uncle, what are you doing?" Uncle says, "Child, I am sprinkling organic fertilizer in the wheat crop." So what was the uncle doing? His sprinkling means chhatvu. Suzanne, where do you sell the product of the farm, uncle? Uncle says the maximum portion of the production of the farm is used as food. Rest of it is used as a raw material to make different things. Ved says, Uncle, you have grown wheat in your field, but is it only wheat that is grown all over Gujarat? Uncle said, no. Different crops are grown in Gujarat. For cultivating crops, suitable soil, climate and adequate rainfall are necessary. So as we know that each and every crop is needed a particular season to be grown. But here the Ved is having confusion that only wheat is there to be produced in Gujarat only, but he was wrong. Parth says, Uncle, we want to know about the land of Gujarat. So Parth wanted to know more things about land of Gujarat. So activity, I depend on you. You can write your own way. Dharmasi say, Uncle, we want to know more about the crops of Gujarat. Uncle say, I will tell you about that. I will tell you about it. Now first thing that I want to clear in your mind, it is agriculture. Agriculture is a primary activity of the people of Gujarat. People cultivate cereals, oil seeds, pulses, beans, fruits, vegetables and flowers. Animal husbandry is another important activity. So agriculture is a basic thing of Gujarat. Without agriculture, the crops are not to be measured in a quality wise. So here tick in the table if the following crops are grown in your village. What will you do with this activity? You just tick mark the crops which you find in Gujarat. So if you have more idea about the crops in Gujarat, you can write here. From the table you have learned which crops are grown in your village, but there are many crops which cannot be grown in your village. Do you know why other crops are not cultivated in your village? So still you know about the crops which are there in Gujarat, but there are other crops which are not produced in village. Let's see which are they. First of all, Gujarat agriculture, cereals, other crops, millet, bajra. Sandy and soft color Koradu soil is suitable for the millet. So millet is a particular crop that is called bajra. We can say in Gujarati. Gujarat ranks second in the production of millet in India. So we used to eat bajra from the different farm, and it takes second place in India. Banaskantha district is the leading producer of the millet. बनासकांठा नाम का जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वो लीडिंग मतलब सबसे आगे है ये क्रॉप को प्रोड्यूस करने में. मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर millet requires less rainfall, moderate temperature and adequate amount of sunlight. So which sources it requires? That it requires less rainfall, moderate temperature, required temperature and adequate amount of sunlight. So it needs more sunlight to be produced. With the help of a map, write down the names of the district where the millet is grown. Now wheat. Wheat is a produce in the black and loamy soil which holds moisture. If you find any black soil at that place, the wheat can be produced. For the better production of wheat, moderate temperature, rainfall and sufficient sunlight is required at the time of harvest. जब उसको उगाने के समय एडिक्वेट टेम्परेचर, एडिक्वेट सनलाइट होना ज़रूरी है. Wheat production is more in Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar and Surendranagar district of Gujarat. There are 3 places are given where the production of wheat is increased. There Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar and Surendranagar. Bhal region of Ahmedabad, Dhanduka Taluka is well known for the production of Bhalia wheat. So as we eat Bhalia wheat, and it is mainly produced in Dhanduka Taluka for the Bhalia wheat. Bhalia, a long grain wheat variety rich in protein, is grown under conserved soil moisture condition in Bhal region of Gujarat. So this wheat is quite lengthy. Okay, it is quite long. So with the help of a map, write the names of the other district where the wheat is grown. So आपको यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? दूसरे प्लेस के नाम लिखने हैं जहाँ पर गेहूँ उगते हैं. Paddy rice. Paddy is grown in the region receiving more rainfall and fertile soil. It is mainly grown in the waterlogged farms. Paddy is produced maximum in Kheda district of Gujarat. So this crop only produce where the rainfall is more. Okay. Paddy is produced maximum in Kheda district. खेड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा इसका प्रोडक्शन होता है. Barley is the second most important crop of Gujarat in terms of production. Barley is grown in maximum parts of Gujarat. Barley is grown in both the winter as well as summer season. Barley plants are mainly used as fodder. So this crop is mainly produced in Gujarat. Maximum parts of in Gujarat. Barley is grown in both. These crops are grown in winter as well as summer also. Groundnut मतलब मगफड़ी. Groundnut requires less fertile and moderate black sand mixed soil as it is most suitable for the production of groundnut. It requires less fertile soil and it requires black Sand. जूनागढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ ग्राउंडनट इन गुजरात. तो जूनागढ़ जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इसका प्रोडक्शन करता है. कॉटन मतलब कपास. Black soil is the best for the production of cotton. Kannam province of Bharuch in Gujarat is well known for the production of best quality long threads of cotton. With the help of a map, write names of the other district where the cotton is grown. So cotton based production, black soil. It requires black soil to produce a great production of cotton. It mainly produce in Bharuch in Gujarat is well known the production of best quality. Sugar cane. Yes, in a summer season we used to drink of sugar cane. Yes, we like to eat also. It is fertile land, adequate rainfall and good irrigation facilities are essential factors for the production of sugarcane. Sugarcane is grown more in the district of Surat, Navsari and Saurashtra. So there are three places where the sugarcane is produced more. It is Surat, Navsari and Saurashtra. Tobacco. Yes, it is dangerous for the health. It is not good. Even the people eat tobacco plants require sandy and fertile soil to grow. Moderate rainfall is required for the production of tobacco. Charotar Kheda Vadodara district is the leading producer of tobacco in Gujarat. Okay, this we know that because many people, 90% people of India, or we can say Gujarat, it used to take this tobacco. Even the sticker is given there in which the title is written that tobacco is injurious to the health, even though people are eating. So when the leaves of the tobacco plants dry up, it appears yellow like gold. So जब इसके पत्ते सूख जाते हैं तो गोल्ड की तरह दिखते हैं. Fruits. Horticulture is developed in South Gujarat as the soil is very fertile in these regions. The fruits like mango, banana, chiku, papaya, grapes, strawberry, etc. are grown. Coconut is grown in the coastal area. Beans and spices. So this thing is masala, we can say we use to make sabji. Okay. So where they produce that we understand. Beans are grown to make the soil soft and fertile. The beans like gram, mischana, mug, math, udad, tuver, lentil, etc. are grown in Gujarat. Spices like chili, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, isabgol, mustard, etc. are also grown. So these things you can find in Gujarat. Cumin seeds and isabgol are exported from the Unja of Mehsana district to the other regions of the India and other. So cumin seeds जो है ऊंजा और महसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हमको मिलते हैं. Irrigation. Irrigation in Gujarat, the main reason for the development of agriculture is the increase in irrigation facilities. Generally, irrigation means supplying water to the fields through the man-made sources like wells, underground water, small and big dams, etc. This process is called irrigation. So, as we know that in some part of the country we do not find water. Okay, so that is why what they do, the people dig the hole, make some wells and keep water for the better future of the plants. So you can see here the canal. So it is the extension part of saving the water. There are other projects for irrigation like the Narmada project where Water is conserved in dams. Water is supplied to farms through canals. If the water of canals is used continuously for irrigation, it decreases the fertility of the land. So, if the extension water is not supplied to the required places, required farms, then the fertility of the land will be decreased. Irrigation project of Gujarat. Farm ponds. Farm. Pond is made on the slopy land of the farm. Yes, you can see the picture of farm, or we can say pond. Rainwater is stored in it. Its water is used for irrigation all throughout the year wherever required. Yes. So they save the water in a particular place, and it will be used later on when it is required. Check dam. You can see the picture of dam. You can physically also went over there. I know it. In order to stop the water of rivers, stream of rivulet from the following into the sea, a strong and concrete wall is constructed, which is known as check dam. So if do not want to send water in the river, then dam is made to stop that. The water level of the well and underground water level increase when the check dams are constructed. These are the some effective water harvesting method. Sardar Sarovar Dam, you might have visited about this Sardar Sarovar Dam. Now we are going to talk about industries. We use many things in our day to day life which are made in the industries. To make these things we need natural resources. For example, we need cotton to make clothes, is needed to make sugar, is needed to for making tools. So tools, clothes, shoes, except eating things, whatever you find, these all things are made in industries. Types of industries. There are four types of industries: agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine marine based industries, industries based on forest products. First we are going to understand that is agro based industries. It is there are industries are dependent on agriculture. Some of them are: first, textile industries. Ahmedabad is the main center of the textile industry in the Gujarat. Apart from it, there are textile mills in Vadodara, Surat and Rajkot also. So textile is not everywhere. If you think it is there in Ahmedabad, it is the main center to develop the industry of textile. Then Vadodara, Surat and Rajkot. Sugar industries. Sugar industries are located in South Gujarat. The main centers are whereas another industry is situated in of Junagadh district. Now dairy industries. Dairy industry in Gujarat, dairies like Dudhsagar Dairy, Mehsana, Amul Dairy, Anand, Banas Dairy, Palanpur and Sabar Dairy, हिम्मतनगर आर लोकेटेड. सो डेयरी इंडस्ट्रीज़ कहाँ कहाँ पर है? तो गुजरात के अंदर दूध सागर डेयरी महसाणा में है, अमूल आनंद में है, बनास पालनपुर और सरदार डेयरी साबर डेयरी हिम्मतनगर में है. So up to the dairy industries, I am going to stop the class here. Sorry, I am going to stop this video, and from the dairy industries we are going to start video again. Thank you very much.